2 minus 6, which equals negative 4. And 6 times negative 4, here is 2 minus 6 times negative 4. Then 2 minus 6, which equals to negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4, which equals 16. Okay, but this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, and multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Work from left to right. Okay, the same is applies to addition or subtraction. In this expression, there is one subtraction and one multiplication here and one parenthesis here. Inside the parenthesis, there is subtraction. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do first this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis. 2 minus 6, which equals to negative 4. Okay, then 2 minus 6 times negative 4. Therefore here in this expression there is one subtraction and one multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Okay, because multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore we have to multiply these numbers. Therefore 6 times negative 4, which gives us negative 24. Negative 24. Okay, therefore 2 minus negative 24. So as you know that negative times negative, which gives us what? Positive. So which is what? 2 plus 24. Then 2 plus 24, which gives us 26. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem is 26.